What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy G. You're watching Keeping This Tech, and in today's video, we're going to be doing the ultimate buyer's guide for these 4K Michael Blu-ray editions. Now, as of the time of the recording of this video, 3 out of the 4 here are completely sold out. So I'll be sharing some tips on how you can get your hands on these. This episode is going to be jam-packed, so make sure to grab yourself your favorite snacks and some drinks, and we're going to get into it right after this. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you're new to the series, you probably don't know that I've done reviews for the exclusive editions already. So the Lions Limited, the Walmart, and the Amazon. The one I haven't done for yet is the actual standard edition. Now, this is the Blu-ray edition that you're gonna probably be able to get for years to come. In fact, this might even go on sale around the holidays. Get this for 18, 12 bucks or something like that. It includes all of the same featurettes and features and behind the scenes stuff that these other discs have. So in terms of features, you're not missing out on anything. You're just not gonna get that steelbook casing. You know, it's gonna be that plastic casing, and you're not gonna get any special booklets like you get with that limited Lionsgate one. This does include the 4K, the Blu-ray, and an HD code that, depending on where you, I guess, redeem it from, will give you a 4K stream. Anyway, there's really not much to talk about with this other than the fact, obviously, you're gonna get a great movie, you're gonna get great behind the scenes content. What I will mention though, is the discs in here are all different. And I think that's what's actually kind of unique about them. Not only is the artwork and the casing and the packaging different, but the actual discs themselves are all unique, and I think they all tell a story. But that's for a different video. Next up, we're gonna talk about the Lionsgate Limited Edition. Obviously, the Lionsgate Limited is that exclusive one directly from Lionsgate. It comes with a photo book. It gives you 50 pages. Now, I will be honest with you. Unfortunately, people are selling this for too much money online, in my opinion. At the end of the day, no matter how much you pay for this, just know this is still a $39.99 product, right? And if I were to show you, there are some signs of wear and tear already, and I haven't really handled this like that. In my review of this, I talked about how it looks like there was like metal etching, like almost like it was scratch art, which is really cool, but it's actually affecting the entire case. Like even here, there's some little silver parts that are showing up. I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but it's not like I've been using this and walking around with it every single time that I've had it. I've used it for a couple of videos here and there, and I've only had this for about a week, and it's already starting to not age that well. Look at that right there. I don't know if that comes off either on camera, but yeah, it's kind of wild that that's the case. And then y'all remember DVDs and how they would come packaged. I'm sure DVDs are still sold this way, maybe. Actually, no, they're now being used in a plastic case, but back in the day, DVDs had like this kind of cardboard, and they had like a plastic here, like a little strip that would keep it from opening up. This is that without that locking pin. And so technically this is your DVD case, you know, and this is your non-traditional slip cover. And so, I mean, damn, that's kind of lame. And it's already starting to fray right here. The quality of this is that of a $40 product, not that of a $500 or even $1,000 product like you've seen these on the internet, which is kind of crazy. The book itself is cool. I gotta be honest with you. I don't like to open the pages all the way because it's almost like, are the pages gonna fall out? So I just wanna say, it's not a bad edition to have, it's just not worth what people are selling it online. That's what's crazy. Let's talk about the Michael Walmart edition. I mentioned the Walmart edition having that aura. There is just something magical about this one that is just, again, it's pure Mike. I'm gonna focus on the back here real quick because I think this is so crazy. So for a movie that's about Michael Jackson's life, this edition shows you him as a child into what he would be. Now, there's also some symbolism in here too, because his shadow of his success would always follow him around. And you know, there's a term where, you know, somebody outshadows you or like this is always bigger than Mike. This is a steelbook. It's beautiful. There's no extras that come with this, but this is nice. And if I'm being honest with you, if I could only get one edition, I think it would be this one, just because, I don't know, this to me is pure Michael Jackson. Right? That's just how I see it. So now let's show some love to the Amazon edition. This right here is just fantastic as well. And this is a copy that I would get along with any one of these. You know, like if I got the standard edition, then I would want to have this one. If I got this one, then I would want to have this one too, because this one is so cool. Now, I did kind of break down some of the artwork in the dedicated review for this, but since then, I actually saw a couple of things that I missed. As you know, I mentioned the thing about the records and all that other stuff. But if you look closely here, it looks like this person in the gray is being passed up. And you notice that type of silhouette when you're watching Michael Jackson concerts, because people are fainting in the audience and they're having to be passed up to the front to get to the ambulance or the right care. And look at that, that person literally is being moved around to the front. I think that was crazy. In the movie, Nia Long's character, Katherine Jackson, Michael's mom, says you gotta let your light shine, and look at the light that is glowing from that side of Mike. That's crazy. And also over here looks like it's outer space. And, you know, it's a famous thing, like Barry Gordy said that if he ever did perform Billie Jean at the Motown special, even though he's reluctant to do it, he would go into orbit. And that's exactly what happened. And what's crazy about this disc is that it actually, because it's illustrated, it represents how out of this world and unreal the success of Thriller and how famous Michael Jackson was at that time. So yeah, crazy stuff. And then of course it highlights, you know, some of the most memorable performances of the movie in the back. My daughter absolutely loves this. Like, we kind of agree that this could have been the artwork. Put a little Michael thing on there, that would have been clutch. Like, this is a poster? What? So let's talk about the pricing for these, because you would not know what the pricing is. Online, the prices are all over the place. But retail, this is about $28, and this is on sale. I think it's like $32 normally. This right here, again, I got it for $39.99 under pre-order. I think if it comes back in stock, it might be the regular price, which is $59 or $49.99. And for that price is fair. It is what it is. But obviously, like I said, people are spending way more money on this than they absolutely should. And both of these are $34.99. So let me give you a couple of tips on how to get these without having to like sell your kidneys for them. The first thing is first, it's gonna be a patience game. It's gonna be a waiting game. It's gonna be a trial and error game. It's gonna be checking in constantly. For the Walmart one, Walmart has the advantage that really most of the special editions don't have. You can go in store and pick it up. And so what I found in both cases, because I ended up getting this one again, one to stock, one to rock, and I wanted to test out the theory as well before I actually came on YouTube and shared it with you. I found it again online over the weekend. I was able to purchase it for pickup. For me, it's more about the principle of the thing. Like, I don't believe that scalpers should be the ones getting my money. I would rather drive and have a road trip or something like that, enjoy it, and that's that. So yeah, if you do online orders but for in-store pickup, you're gonna have a really good chance of getting this. And if you give it a little bit more time, it'll be good. Now, when I did buy my second one, what was cool is that I could only order a max of one. So that shows that Walmart is aware that something fishy is going on and they're limiting the orders. So I don't know how bots are working around that, but at least for me, I had a max of one for the second one that I was able to get here. Amazon is a little bit tricky. I've tried multiple times to get it again from Amazon, and every time I'm able to get it into my cart, when I go to check out, it tells me that the quantity is 0 and it doesn't exist. I was able to push it through, but when I did, it said that it wouldn't be delivered until the end of July. So July 31st, August 1st. But at least the order is in and I'm in the queue to get one, which is really good. So you got to keep on trying for both of these. It's what it is. And Amazon is kind of tricky because Amazon has this thing where you can do an auto buy. So you can set your store, the amount that you want to spend and the quantity that you want to spend. And as soon as it comes in stock, it'll automatically purchase it for you. And so that sounds cool, but in the wrong hands, it could also mean that as soon as they come in stock, machines and bots are buying them out so scalpers can do whatever they want to do with them online. Now, I have a trick to get this one too and not have to pay crazy amounts of money for it. It's crazy. Nobody's talking about this on YouTube. And it's just wild that it might work. So here it is. Don't buy it. Scalpers are going to have to lower their prices. They're sitting on this stuff. Don't buy it. You know, don't buy it at $400. Don't buy it at $300. They're gonna bring it down. Even if they sell it to you for $100, they're still making their money back. And I know when I first unboxed this or when I first did my video about it, I said, I don't know if I'd spend $130 on it. And after thinking about it, that's probably the most that I would spend on this thing. I'm not telling you to go out there and spend $130, but I am saying the $500 or $400 that people are asking for this is just not that kind of a product. As a Michael fan, it's really hard not to just push the buy button, especially if you want to collect them all. But I think if we hold out, then the scalpers are gonna have to bring down the prices. And since my last video, the markup for this being $2,500 has come down. I think it's to $500, which is still high. I saw another one that was $1,000 that came down as well. And so I'm getting offers being sent to me just because I looked at it, and that's how I'm able to see when the prices are being dropped, which is a good thing. So that tells me that if we hold out and don't give them the money, they're gonna have to bring down the prices to something that's a little bit more reasonable and something that's a little bit more stomachable. Because at the end of the day, let's be honest, this is Michael Jackson. These are Blu-rays. Everything's happening with physical media where they're trying to get rid of it. Having a drive, disk drive, all that stuff is going away. And so if you want the highest quality stuff, things are getting expensive. Things are being marked up. So eventually these will become valuable, but they're not at that point now. Why spend all the money up front and not get anything for it later on if that's what you're gonna be into it for? So those are my tips on how to get all of these for a decent price. Obviously this one is great. And let me know, guys, because I actually put a digital code for the Walmart one in the Walmart video, and I don't see anybody talking about that they redeemed it. So let me know if that works out. While you wait, hopefully that'll help one of y'all out and you can enjoy it digitally until one of these become available for you. Anyway, guys, that's all I got. Thank you for checking out the video. Peace.